There we go.
I think it's going backwards.
I wish Papa was here.
Should I go get him?
Well, you'll miss it though. I want you to see.
I can run.
You can't run that fast, baby.
When it gets far enough.
I know, baby.
I'm not gonna miss it.
It's not out far enough to pop yet.
Here's a strong one. It's pretty small.
You don't want to make her nervous. There we go. Okay.
Mommy just popped the bottle. Let's just grab it everywhere.
Okay, the more you move around, the more nervous she gets.
Daddy, it's having another one. And Mommy just popped the bubble.
Oh, okay.
It helps it come out easier.
Okay, the more you talk, the more you move around, the more nervous she gets. Here we go.
I think it's going backwards.
There's a foot.
Oh my God.
There's a foot. Okay. And there's a nose. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, come on. Come on. Here, take that, Simon.
I'll take it.
There you go.
Big one.
Yeah.
Is it a girl? It's just at her right now. God, she just had twins. She's sneezing.
Gotta get the air in.
Make sure you watch me. Oh my gosh.
We needed a little help on that one.
That one's a bit skinnier. She's
Well, it's not
licking up
fluffy
the
here.
yuck.
The other one's a little fluffier. This
She's
one.
licking up the water. And the
She's
blood.
just cleaning everything up. That's what she's doing.
Sophie, by the front porch of the shop, there's a bottle of molasses.
That is like
Go get me
Okay.
some warm water. I need warm water, like a half a gallon of warm water with maybe 2 tablespoons of molasses.
Can I get a closer look?
Wait until I get her
Okay.
And I want to get her right up there next to another baby so she starts bonding with this baby too.
Is that one, is that stuff just like egg yolk?
Kind of, yeah, very much.
Okay.
This is
Just want to get what it's like.
one of each, like you said, Simon.